Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about how to fix no service issue on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos, so do not waste any time. Fix this issue. So first of all, first solution you have, make sure you are not mobile in aeroplane mode. So then you have open the setting, then you have aeroplane mode, then is turn on, then you must be turned off, then your problem will be fixed. If there are not fix the issue, so then you have aeroplane mode is turn on and off 3 or 4 times on your iPhone, then your problem will be fixed. Then second solution you have, restart your iPhone, then facing the issue no service on your iPhone. So then you have press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait, and then your mobile is restart. Then third solution you have, update iOS latest version. So you have open the setting, scroll up, then you have click on general, click on software update. iOS latest version on your iPhone so available, so you have must be update or install on your iPhone iOS latest version. Then fourth solution you have reset network setting. So then you have open the setting, scroll up, then you have click on general, scroll up, then you have click on transfer or reset iPhone, then you have click on reset network setting. So then you have iPhone given a passcode, then enter a passcode, then do not lose any data on your iPhone, only reset all network setting on your iPhone. Then last solution you have, remove the SIM card and replace it. Then no service facing issue on your iPhone, so you have SIM card change your iPhone, then you have change the SIM card, then your problem will be fixed. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.